Worshipful Master, I would like to present you with the certificate of recognition from the city of Daly City.
Sure.
May I come forward?
Sure. Please welcome. You want to use the microphone? You want to use the microphone?
I don't know, most people know they can hear. Everyone knows that I've been here several times, and each time the words never escape me. I grab them in my heart and listen to everything they mean. Because when they mean that, they're a reflection of everyone in this room. To the present master, to the past masters, to the Heroine Awards, to the ladies in here, to even the honored guests. It means so much to stand here and be present and humble in your presence today and always. And to the past master, Ferdy, I want to thank you for your service, and to the community of Daly City and your lovely wife and all of you that give so much to our community. And like our present master said, it is the rope, it is the thread, and we are stronger together. So I think that what you said today is so many words, and I've known you for a very long time, even prior for you coming to this lodge. He has always been a reflection of what stands here today. I think it was only fitting, and it was God's plan. I truly believe it was God's plan. That you had a vision, and you looked at the G, and that you are here today. And I want to tell you that when he serves the community, we all know he does it quietly, he does it humbly. When he'll text me that someone needs help, or I text him that someone needs help, or he is in a meeting at the county, and I'm going to out you. He said he left a meeting in the county, and they asked him, who has the connection with the Filipino community? And I'm very humbly to say that he said my name, because to me, you serve with a heart, a pure heart, a humble heart, and that is a reflection and how we all should be. So I wish you the best, and then tell you, Worshipful Master Acevedo, 2023, Crocker Lodge 212. It is my humble honor and pleasure, and even as your friend and council member, in recognition of today, as you enter and become this Worshipful Master, may you do so with congratulations from your city of Daly City and its humble community. And may you have good health and happiness, and make all your dreams come true, not this year and always, and put all your values into the year that you serve a Worshipful Master, because we will all benefit from your leadership, from your working together, and your newly installed officers, and those who are members of this humble and honored lodge, and those of other lodges, and at the Grand Lodge level. Because it is a benefit to us and our community. I look for projects, and I today stand here and is so very proud of you, my friend, and Lorna, and your family, and those here, that I present you with this certificate of recognition. It's just a semblance of all the things that you are, all the things that you will be, and how God will continue to bless you, which continues to bless us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Councilwoman Di Giovanni. This certificate is not for me. It's for you, brother. So, if there will be tasks ahead of me, I will not carry it by myself. We will carry the cross together, right? Brothers? That's why I share this recognition with you. Now, I know there are more presentations, so I'm not going to